Countries are facing a shortage in the personal protection equipment. They cannot ship them and they need them as soon as possible. The 3D printing society around the world got involved. People started to design 3D printed face shields. BBC and Forbes mentioned those people who are volunteered to help their countries. YouTubers impacted millions of people. Multinational organizations got involved and said that this product helped over 80,000 people. But we still have some problems. The design weight, the time to print it, that can go up to 6 hours for each face shield, and how people can connect to 3D printer owners. Even there is no defined guidelines to 3D printed. We designed a face shield that can be 3D printed in 1 minute, lightweight, low cost, and all material used are found in almost any village. It was approved by the Coronavirus Center in Lebanon, Rafiq Hariri Hospital, in addition to many other advantages. We started implementing the model in Lebanon. We are currently working on a website that will be the link between 3D printer owners and whoever need a face shield. Now, any owner of a 3D printer can produce up to 300 face shields a day from each 3D printer, so he can provide his village and the near hospitals with their needs. This can be a sustainable solution for the shortage of face shields. In addition, that we will provide self-employment job opportunities during and after the quarantine for the heroes of the 3D printing society.